Hi,
Hello,
hello.
hi Jay. Good
Hey,
evening and welcome back
good
to my
evening.
class.
Yeah. Nice to
Yeah,
see you
nice to see you
again.
again. Yes, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Oh,
How are
good,
you?
good to hear that. I'm pretty good as well. Thank you for asking. All right, so I can see here you chose Business English level 1 to 2, lesson 96 of Study Sapuri English. That's right. Is that
Yeah,
right? Okay.
yes.
All right, so today we're going to practice using some of the sentences that you have been
Hmm,
studying. All
okay.
right, so now let's go to the next page. We have
Yes.
practice. Okay, so please look at key phrase number one. Okay, so let's check the key phrase. Please repeat after me once. I was amazed that.
Hmm. I was amazed that.
Okay, now please look at the situation in the box. Could you please read that aloud?
Okay. You and a colleague meet with a well-known professor
Mhm.
for advice on making products.
Okay.
You talk with your colleague after the meeting.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Do you have any questions about that?
No questions, okay.
All right. So we have also task. Okay. So could
Okay.
you read it aloud as well?
Yes, tell them you were really surprised to learn that a famous professor knew Hanako.
Okay. Very good. Now please look at the exercise. All right. So you will use the key phrase to answer. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I will start. We had a good time talking with the professor.
Mhm. I was amazed that a famous professor knew Hanako.
Okay, very good. All right. Yeah, let me type it in the chat box. Okay,
Okay.
that's great. All right. So I was amazed as a famous professor knew Hanako. Is it
Mhm.
Hanako or Hanako?
Hanako. Yeah, Hanako.
Hanako.
We call
Yeah,
Hanako.
right. Yeah. I'm not so familiar with the name. Okay. All right. So now let's go on to the next phrase. We have key phrase number two. Okay.
Yes.
All right, so let's check the second key phrase. It's a small world.
Mm,
Okay, please read.
it's a small world.
All right, then let's proceed to the situation. Could you please read the situation aloud?
Okay. You continue talking with your colleague.
Mm-hmm.
They ask if you worked with her before.
All right, so is there any question about that? Is it clear?
No, no question.
Okay. All right, now we have the task two. Please read the task as well.
Answer yes and say that the world is small.
Small. Okay, very good. Now please look at the exercise. All right, so again, I will say something to you or ask you a question. Okay, I will start. You used to work with her, right?
It's a small world.
Oh, wow, that's great. Yes, it's a small world. Most of the time, yes, native speakers are saying that in that situation. All right, so now let's
Yeah.
go on to the next phrase. Let's have the third key
Mm.
phrase. Okay, please repeat
Okay.
after me. It was great to hear that.
It was great to hear that.
Yes, and also please read aloud the situation.
Okay. You continue talking with your colleague. They say the professor really enjoyed your products.
All right, so is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, all right, so we have the task two. Please read the task.
Okay. Tell them you are happy to hear that. He likes your products.
All right, very good. Now please look at the exercise as well. So I will start, okay?
Okay.
All right. He said he's a great fan of our products.
Yeah, it was great to hear that he likes our products.
Okay, that's right. Very good. All right, let me type a sample answer. And it's the correct one. Very good. That's nice. All right, so now let's go to the next part, which is apply general. All right.
Yes.
So in this activity, we are going to apply the key phrases to three specific situations.
Mhm.
Right? So
Mm.
here is the first situation. Could you please read it aloud?
Okay. You are telling your coworker about your meeting with a customer.
Uh-huh.
The customer told you that your product was very useful.
Very useful.
You are happy. This is that.
Okay, that's great. Now I will say something or ask you a question, okay? Then you're going to reply using the key, one of the key phrases. All right, it's clear? Okay, so let me start. I'm glad they liked your product.
It was great to hear that it was very useful.
All right, that's great. I think that's the best choice too. Yes, that's right. All right, let me check the sample answer. Please look in the chat box. See if it's the same one. That is correct.
Hmm.
So that is the right key phrase to use in that particular sentence. Very good.
Yeah.
All right, so now let's move on to the situation two. Please read it aloud one more time.
Okay. You are boarding a flight to Sydney.
Okay.
You are very surprised to see a former coworker in the next seat.
In the next seat. All right, that's great. Now, again, you will reply using one of the key phrases. Okay? All
Okay.
right, so let me start. Oh, what a surprise to see you.
Yes, it's a small world.
It's a small world. Okay, so let's check again a sample answer. Oops, yes, it's a small world. It's the same. Very good. Okay, now let's go on to situation three. Please read it aloud once again.
Okay, you and your coworker interviewed a job candidate.
Candidate. Mhm.
You were surprised that the candidate knew a lot about your company.
Wow, very good candidates, right? Okay. All right, so I will start one more time. That interview went well. She came well prepared. Hmm.
Yeah, I was amazed that she knew about this company a lot.
A lot. Okay, all right, that's perfect. Yes. Yeah, okay, so you did a great job with the key phrase too. Okay, let me check the sample answer. So you said I was amazed that she knew our about our company a lot. Yep, almost the same. It's just a little bit like there is a small difference. Like
Mhm.
she knew a lot about our company, but it's
Yeah,
just
yeah.
the same actually. No problem with the grammar. Okay, so very
Okay.
good. Okay, now let's look at apply personal. Okay.
Mhm.
All right, so in this activity, we will try to use these three key phrases in your own situation.
Mhm.
All right, so we will practice using the three key phrases in your daily life and also at work. Okay, so for step
Okay.
one, you're going to pick up one key phrases, one
Mm.
of the key phrases, and then step two is you are going to make a sample
Mm.
sentence using the key phrase that you chose. And then the challenge is you're going to describe the situation if you can. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
So, which key phrase do you
Mm.
choose for the first
Okay.
one? Mm-hmm.
Cheers. I was amazed at that.
I was amazed that. Okay, please make an example sentence for this. I was
Yep.
amazed that.
Mm.
Mhm.
I was amazed that we graduated
He
from the
graduated.
same university.
Oh, from the same university. Okay. Yes, so what is the situation? Can you describe the situation?
Okay. Sometimes actually I have this situation.
Aha,
So
okay.
yeah, when we talk with someone,
Uh-huh.
we noticed we graduated. from the same university.
Yes, yes, yes. You are like, is it you're excited or you're shocked? What?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow.
Yeah,
It's a
yes.
small one.
It's a small world, yes. Okay, very good. All right, so how about the second key phrase? Which one you would like to choose?
It was great to hear that.
All right, it was great to hear that. Okay, please make a sentence for this. It was great to hear that.
Mm,
Mm-hmm.
okay. It was great to hear that the movie was interesting to you.
Oh, the movie was interesting to you. Did you say to you? Oh,
Yes, yes, to you.
okay, wow, complete. It's very complete. Okay, so can you describe the situation?
Yeah, sometimes I recommend
Oh,
someone
wow.
to
Mm-hmm.
see
Oh,
a movie.
yes.
Yeah, so when I hear the response,
A very
uh,
positive.
so the response is
Yes.
good.
Very good
Uh,
response. Mm-hmm.
yeah, I will say it was great to hear that.
Okay, that's perfect. That's a very nice situation wherein you can use that key phrase. Wow. Okay, very good. Please keep practicing these key phrases in your own situation, okay?
Yep, yep.
So, do you have any final questions about anything so far?
No questions. Thank you
Mm,
for asking.
that was actually great. That's wonderful. All right, we're actually almost done. So let's proceed to the next part. We have the
Mm.
feedback. Okay. So we practiced using three key phrases today, and I think without a doubt, you did a great job.
Thank you.
Congratulations. That was amazing. That's good. Actually, I was so impressed.